This year our school joined Unified Bowling. Let's check it out.
And there are 31 schools that have started the program this year. And Steve Bushnell, our athletic director, he thought it was a great idea and a good opportunity to get our kids involved and let them have some fun and compete and bowl.
After a great season, the Unified Bowling team will advance to regionals in Wichita this Thursday. The coaches hope to gain more members next year.
I'm hoping that next season we can get more students and athletes out for Unified Bowling to make it and really build our program for the next couple of years.
Appreciate the support of Special Olympics helping us get this up and off the ground and started this first year, and we're looking forward to next year.
The team will be going to regionals on November 11th at Wichita Lanes at 1 p.m. Make sure to come out and support them.